Hey everyone, it's Nish and James here from Flowverse. We co-founded Flowverse in 2021 and have been part of the Flow community since 2020. For those who don't know, Flowverse is the go-to central hub to discover information and projects building on Flow blockchain. We've also launched a general purpose Flow NFT marketplace. Following on from that, let's quickly recap 2023. We've been publishing the Flowverse newsletter every week in 2023. Growing from 39,000 to 68,000 subscribers over the course of the year. This is a weekly newsletter where we cover everything you need to know about the Flow ecosystem, including news, new projects, upcoming NFT drops, giveaways, and important Flow announcements. As I said before, we launched a Flowverse NFT marketplace. This was a very significant milestone for the team as it represented the evolution from going from Web 2 to Web 3. Since then, we've also become the first marketplace on Flow to have bulk buying, bulk selling. We've also launched our own FXP points program to reward the loyal users of our marketplace. Additionally, we've supported, as always, many more projects on Flow, including Heroes of the Flow, which is an exciting game, a Flow hackathon winner that minted out NFTs on our platform in under 10 minutes. We've also supported big names in the industry, such as Animoca Brands, for their Formula E high voltage game launch on Flow, where we were the official marketing partner and secondary marketplace for their NFTs. Towards the end of the year, in the build up to Christmas, we've also launched the Flowverse shirt NFTs. This was the experiment with on-chain merch and turned out to be a success. It sold out in just 1 hour. But 2023 is behind us, and 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year for Flow blockchain. So I'll pass it on to James to talk about more our plans in 2024.
Awesome. Thanks, Nish, for the recap of the past year, and really excited for this year with the Crescendo upgrade, Cadence 1.0, EVM on Flow, and more. It looks like 2024 is going to be a huge year for Flow blockchain. In terms of Flowverse, in 2024, we've already shipped Flow ordinals, which gives users the ability to directly inscribe data, such as images, text, and domains on Flow. And soon we'll be launching account linking capability on Flowverse NFT. We're covering this a lot more over the coming weeks on our socials and platform. To quickly discuss why we're so interested in Flow ordinals, there's been a huge movement of inscriptions being released on other blockchains, starting with Bitcoin, which now has 55 million inscriptions, then on Ethereum, Avalanche, Say, and on Solana. So we thought, why not bring the latest development to Flow? There's also a growing inscription ecosystem on Flow, with Flow Map and Fix's FRC20. We believe that the defining characteristics of ordinals inscriptions was not necessarily the technical implementation, but how the images are stored directly on the blockchain. And the metadata doesn't just point to an image URL in a centralized database or IPFS, it's on-chain. Also, the community aspect of it, being effectively a shared NFT collection where anyone can inscribe content on the chain, is cool. We've already seen people upload photos of their dogs, digital artists creating art collections, and people inscribing AI-generated images. Additionally, the sequential nature of the collection where people can trade ordinal 1, ordinal 2, ordinal 3, and so on, and the consensus that arises around what numbers in the sequence, whether they be early numbers or specific numbers, are valuable is another defining characteristic. We call them Flow ordinals to pay tribute to Bitcoin ordinals, though our implementation is different, and it's better suited to the Flow network as an NFT collection adhering to the metadata standards. Anyway, with that said, we don't want to take up too much more of your time, so here's a very quick demo of the marketplace and us inscribing some data onto the Flow blockchain. So if you want to inscribe a collection, go to Flowverse NFT, you connect to your wallet, and then you can click inscribe a Flow ordinal. You can choose your inscription type, so whether it be a domain, text, or image. Domain is just a unique, you can think of it as a unique word or name that you can put on the blockchain. Text is non-unique, and then image is an image that has to be below 0.8 megabyte that you can upload directly onto the chain. But in this case, we'll do domain. You can see there are several different types that are available. And so I'll just go, I love cadence.flow. And then if I just click next, can then confirm the inscription and then pay. Approve. And done. Now that the inscription's created successfully, you can either create another ordinal, view the collection, share on Twitter, and over the next week or 2 weeks, we'll be launching our own marketplace for trading these ordinal inscriptions. But yeah, that's a quick demo. And yeah, it's been a pleasure having the opportunity to present to everyone today. Looking forward to hearing what everyone else has to say in this town hall. And yeah, very psyched for 2024. Thanks, everyone. See you later.